Hi all, this is Dr. Madhusudan from ReconFace team. Today I am going to discuss about different treatment options available for the open bite problems. It all depends upon at what age we identify the problem. If it's at the early age, then we can just give a habit breaking appliance for the child, like tongue twisting habit. Then we can give some appliances by which that habit will be discontinued. So by this we can modify the growth. If it is in a skeletal problem, then we have something called as growth modifiers, like a myofacial appliances, by which we modify the growth of the jaw in such a way that open bite corrects on its own. In adults, the problem is already established, so we cannot give a growth modifiers like a myofacial appliances. So we have to treat the problem by giving some braces and the surgery. Again, when we need to go for a surgery and when we can treat only by doing a braces, it depends upon a lot of factors, and we need to do a study model by taking some models and taking some radiographs, by which we will come to a conclusion whether it can be treated only by braces or by the surgery. So once it has been decided that we need to do a surgery, there is a certain things called as the stimulation surgery, mock stimulation surgery, which will be done using a software, computer software. Then we will come at a final outcome which will be discussed with the patient. Since this is a cosmetic procedure, the total surgery will be carried out inside the mouth. That's an intraoral procedure. The procedure is usually carried out in upper jaw, that's called as a Lefautin osteotomy, by which we reposition the upper jaw. Some patients may require both upper jaw and lower jaw surgeries. So if any of your family members or friends are having this problem, please let them know that this problem can be corrected, by which you are going to change their quality of life, that the self-esteem of the patient is going to improve. And feel free to contact us at ReconFace India. Thank you.